Alright guys, we're doing a ride from Stratosphere to downtown on our scooters. Well, Colin and I are on the scooters. Craig is on his one wheel. So, hopefully you can see. Coming up to a bus stop. We're gonna go by all the little chapels. We'll also go by the pawn shops. This is the new Las Vegas sign. Woo. Here we go. So it looks like they tore Denny's down. Wonder if they're gonna rebuild it or change it to something different. They left the sign, so maybe doing it. Oh, look, there's your place. Abandoned Todd Motor Motel. Looks like it just got repainted. Ew, smells like piss. This whole little shop shut down. Alright, we're back. This is not a very up and coming spot over here. This place is all boarded up. No trespassing. The Strip Center is what it used to be called. I feel like this is like a scary part of town.
I know, that's why I wasn't taking everything down here.
Oh. Alright. Where are we? Oh, High Hat Regency Motel is still in business because there's people in there. I see them talking. Tattoos. Anyone want a tattoo? They don't look very busy today. Free motel. Local air conditioning rooms, you guys. It's another hostel. Oh, sorry if it's shaky. The sidewalks have not been maintained. Here's the Village. I think these might be apartments. Oh, their pool's empty. Oh, they do body, car, auto repair. Oh, shit, dude. I about got hit on the scooter with a scooter. This part's not very safe. Hi. Mexican restaurants. Payphone. Yeah, they're still in service. It's an empty building. It's a big empty building. We buy everything. Gold, silver. Look at them trying to copy gold and silver Pawn down there. If you watch Pawn Stars, they're right there to my right. Las Vegas. Aladdin, bail bonds, Wolfpack tattoos, cigar shop, success. We almost made it to downtown. I think that's the El Cortez in front of us. Oh, we got the stoplight.
Where's the courthouse, babe?
Where? Oh.
Oh, there's the Supreme Court of here.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Ooh, they're fancy. Supreme Court of Nevada. So I want to recommend taking this tour by yourself, you guys. Some crazy people. Foley Federal Building. Who's Foley? Must be someone big. I don't know. Easy Pond. Me and Colin go there like to see what kind of cool stuff he can get when he saves his money up. So you can get really good deals on stuff. Sometimes, not always. We made it downtown.
I want to go down Fremont.
We're gonna go down Fremont?
Why not?
And so we've made it to Fremont Street. We're gonna do a quick loop on Fremont. Alright? Oh, they're gonna tell us right now. Thank you. Oh, busted by Metro. Back towards the Stratosphere. Sorry, we got in trouble. Fancy that. Here we go. Excuse us. Alright, we're GoProing it. Hopefully this video turns out. Oh, post office. Anyone want to mail us anything? Villa Inn Motel vacancies. Ooh, it's a little wedding chapel. Yeah, stuff. But watch these people. Excuse us. Alright. There we go. I really don't like this part of town. It's a little lot. Anyone want to buy a commercial zone? Oh, here's a little wedding chapel. Oh, and a cafe. Look at this cute little wedding chapel. It's cute. Mobility. Mobility. And then we got Graceland. Gee, I wonder who marries you here. Congratulations.
Much appreciated.
How super cool is this one? I bet they're gonna get married by Elvis. Ooh, showgirl video, live nude dancers. Here's a lot of y'all's favorites. If you watch them, Pawn Stars. Here it is. I would take you in there, but we've done it once or twice before. They also have this little shop over here now. I don't know, we haven't watched Pawn Stars in a while, but I don't know if they put this in it or not, but I heard the guys can be hanging out over here drinking. Ooh, there's a Mexican food place. Put some South in your mouth. Rick's Bar is now open. That's cool. Anyway. Oh, bail bonds.
That was pretty quick, Brad.
Is that too fast? I'm only going 6 miles per hour. Yeah, there's really nothing much over here. That's open. I don't even know what it is, but they're open. Auto title loans and payday loans. Excuse me. Nice dancing. I don't know what his music was, but it's great. Alright, here's a little motel that is out of business. Oh, I almost Elvis ran off. Adult Superstore. Woo! Looks like they take cash only because they have an ATM right there when you walk in. Thai food. Viva Las Vegas Wedding Chapel. Look at this little wedding chapel. What's this wedding? Super cute. With this one, they'll do live on the internet so you can show the people at home, babe. Cocktails with Elvis. What? All right.
Elvis loves his job.
Yeah, right? Here we go. Thunderbirds. Is this like Greece?
No, that's where Renato works.
Oh, he does?
The Italian, no, he did that.
Oh, nice. It's very nice. People get married and then they go to Thunderbirds. Welcome to the world famous Little Whitechapel Tunnel of Love. Oh, look, they have the horse and carriage over there. Oh, they have the photo studio. The flower shop, the gowns and texts. Where are you going? You gonna go get married? Aww. Here we go, over here, a Little Whitechapel. Oh, that's the same one, isn't it? I don't know, there's too many on this side. Oh no, this is the Little Whitechapel. This is the Little Whitechapel, it's smaller than the Little White Wedding Chapel. Wow, that was loud. Oh. Hello.
Hello.
This is like Wedding Chapel Lane. Anybody want to build your own wedding chapel? This land is available. I do real estate, but I don't do commercial, so. This one's just called A Wedding Chapel. Oh, I think A Wedding Chapel's closed. There's someone sleeping under it. We're gonna go down to Fountain Drew, right?
Yeah.
Oh, the pizza smells good. Oh, that was loud. Oh, here's the OG, Topless Cabaret.
Topless Cabaret.
Yeah, it looks closed too.
So, if we get what? 300 likes, we'll release the 360 video. Otherwise, we'll just do this.
Alright, so Craig said we'll release the 360 video if we get 300 likes on this, but I think we could do more, so I'm saying 500 likes on this video. We'll release the 360 video, so then you could swipe and move it all around wherever you want to go. Alright? We're gonna go down to Fountain Drew, or I don't know what it's called. We call it Fountain Drew. I think it's the Drew. This guy. Sorry. I don't know what he's doing with all those pallets, but probably gonna make a fire. It's cold. There's another Chapel of the Flowers. Ooh, a little red dress in there. Fancy.
We got
The newly remodeled Culinary Health Fund, Culinary Pharmacy. It's culinary everything over there. Those little stands sometimes have good coupons. I know they have a lot of pictures of naked girls, well, half-naked girls, but I think they also have coupons for you to use in some of the venues down here in Vegas. What is this, like an RV lot? I don't even know. So if you don't want to walk to Fremont Street, they have these little bikes that you can rent. Yeah. Vegas, the Little Vegas Chapel, Elvis wedding. What? All right. World famous Chapel of the Bells. license service. Strip gun clubs. It smells like Pot World. Oh, we're gonna pass SLS. Yeah. Burger and beers. Looks dead in there. Here's the Fountain Drew. I think they should just name it that. It's the Fountain Drew. All have you been waiting for? I don't know how much you can see, but I'll lift it up. So it looks like they're working on it. All that steel's getting covered. What do you guys think? Will it be open in 2020 like we've been promised? What do you think they're building down there? They're like digging.
They were building a WNBA stadium, but their permit card's gone, so it says that that project's been pulled.
Oh, it's nothing. And Craig said the permit's gone, so they pulled it. So no WNBA. Look at Resort World coming up down there, though.
That's a whole bunch of dirt work.
Right?
They're almost topped out. I think that's as high as it's going.
All right. Well, anyway, here's some of the Fontainebleau. Up and to our left. Craig's 360 video died, so I'm sorry if this is what you're waiting for. If we get the 500 likes.
I got 1 minute.
Oh, he's got 1 minute left. He's gonna let you guys see it. It's kind of cool looking. Hopefully they do finish it by 2020, but I think they got a lot of work to go. Sky Vegas. Success. That was funny. The guy was like, whoa. Dang, look at all these people savers. Whoa. I heard him. Gate 8. If anyone wants to know where Gate 8 is, right there it is.
Oh, shit, we're live.
Oh, we should have did the whole thing live. That would have been cool.
That would have been fun. Maybe. So, we're down here. We're riding the scooter.
Colin.
I'm on.
Hi,
Ice skaters? We got 4 seconds. Excuse me. To your left, sir. Jump though, you cleared it.
I was like, crap, we're side by side, and I'm like, oh crap.
Watch the big hole. Peace out, Vegas. We love you.
Alright guys, peace out Vegas. Check out this.